Hello everyone. If we want different results, we have to build different kind of schools. Today, on 26 January 2026, on a Republic Day, we are proud to launch our first bulletin, Icon Nurturing Innocence, a preschool chain founded 20 years back with the purpose, responsibility and care. At Icon, we work with the children of age 2 almost, or at times even below than 2. At this stage, the life, what we say, what we speak, that matters more than what we formally teach. This is why the right word, right environment, and the right intent matters very deeply. At Icon, we didn't start with buildings or boards. We started with one simple belief: a school must build humans before we build toppers. And the belief is what makes Icon a different school in the preschool fraternity. आज से 22-23 साल पहले जब मुझे अपनी बिटिया के लिए स्कूल देखना था, I had a different vision altogether because I was the first time father and the emotions I was carrying, especially when my child is a girl child, तो मैं कुछ अलग ही स्कूल ढूंढ रहा था. मेरी सर्च में it was not only infrastructure, it was not only curriculum, it was not only the colorful building, it was also not very big space. जो मैं खोज रहा था, जो मैं ढूंढ रहा था, वो था a school with love, care, affection and child safety. इस तलाश में I think I took more than 2-3 months along with my wife, and I was searching one school this Saturday, another school this Saturday, and that search was going on. फिर जब मैं अपने सही स्कूल पे पहुंचा, where I admitted my daughter, और वहाँ जो मैंने I saw the struggle of working mothers especially, कि वो अपने बच्चों को स्कूल पर छोड़ नहीं रहे थे, वो लिटरली अपने बच्चों को फेंक रहे थे स्कूल पे. And I could very easily see the anxiety going through in their work life, कि they were in the struggle, उनको ऑफिस भी टाइम पे ज्वाइन करना है, उनको अपने बच्चे को भी छोड़ना है. यहाँ से Icon born. And when I decided with my wife that we should start a play school, and then matter discussed with my brother and my bhabhi also, and we four very happily said yes to this initiative. And the initiative was purely to give a place where child can be secure and parents can be fear free, and they can leave there for their workplace without having any anxiety or any fear or any kind of stress in their mind. इस जर्नी में भी हमने we took a good time. That time I was living in Delhi, so we searched properties and buildings in Rohini, then in south part of the Delhi, but the land and the building cost was not affordable, and moved to Ghaziabad. Here we bought a land piece, and here we constructed our school, where every single thing was taken care. We constructed this school in many times because of the shortage of fund, but the objective what we had when we started this initiative, we were very sure that we have to achieve that level only. इससे पहले हम नहीं रुकेंगे. आज आप कभी भी देखेंगे, we wanted, we achieved. आज हमने किचन गार्डन, सेंसरी गार्डन, फ्रूट गार्डन, फ्लावर गार्डन, बटरफ्लाई गार्डन, तुलसी गार्डन, ये सारी चीज़ें बच्चों को एजुकेशन के लिए आज ये सब चीज़ें हमने बनाई हैं जिससे बच्चे रियल एजुकेशन ले सकें. आज हमने सेफ्टी को लेके जो पैरामीटर सेट किए हैं Icon में, अमेजिंग है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू गॉड कि हमने जो सोचा था वो हमने अचीव किया है इसमें. We should have very good atmosphere at a school, or we can say atmosphere should always be cheerful, not fearful. क्योंकि जब बच्चे cheerful atmosphere में होते हैं, they can express, they can speak, they can learn and they can learn better. और जब fearful में होते हैं, तो they do not react, they become silent and they stop thinking further. At Icon Nurturing Innocence, we work with the children mostly of the age 2, at times even lesser than 2, and at this point in time, children more learns with the actions, less with the. और Icon पे if you see any branch of Icon, तो वहाँ पे बोर्ड लगे हुए हैं कि you are in happiness zone. और हमारी जिंदगी के एक उद्देश्य का हिस्सा ये भी है कि हम भारत को डिप्रेशन फ्री कर सकें, जिसमें लोग परेशान ना हो. So I'm again repeating, atmosphere should always be cheerful, not fearful. वैसे भी cheerful atmosphere का मतलब ये नहीं है कि we should be careless or we should be casual. cheerful means we should be confident enough to express ourselves, और अच्छे एटमॉस्फेयर में ही लर्निंग भी अच्छी हो सकती है। fearful होने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि we will be disciplined. fearful is discipline beyond the discipline. अगर हम cheerful एटमॉस्फेयर में डिसिप्लिन मिल सकता है, fearful एटमॉस्फेयर में डिसिप्लिन नहीं मिल सकता। And this is what do we do at ICON. In addition to this, what all we did in ICON, or what all we achieved, or what all we achieved after a great learning, and here I generally use my quote कि first we burn, then we learn, and then we earn. तो यहीं से मैं शुरू करता हूँ कि ICON नर्चरिंग इनोसेंस में जब हमने स्कूल खोला तो what necessity we felt was that there should be mother when it is a teacher, especially in preschool. क्योंकि जो इमोशंस और जो कनेक्शन एक मदर बच्चे के साथ बना पाती है वो हमने बाकी जगह we felt it bit difficult. So we decided that we will hire only mothers or the teachers, the women who have experience of motherhood. Second thing, what we implemented or introduced after a big learning was to serve meal at school. जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे सुबह 8:30 बजे 9 बजे स्कूल आते थे तो ज्यादातर केसेस में बच्चे भूखे थे। Because we started afresh, we did not have any old experience. So we thought initially that children are crying because they are missing their mothers. So हमने लगा ये separation की anxiety है तो चुप हो जाएगा. But this was continuing for months together. And one fine day, my wife tried to serve her lunch to the children, and the entire lunch was finished within few children. And from here, we felt the necessity to start meal at school. और जो हमने meal स्कूल में शुरू किया, then today because we are doing this for a very long time now, तो जो मील हम आइकन में सर्व करते हैं वो एवरी डे का there is a different meal. No meal is repeated in that particular month. हर दिन का अलग मील होता है and this meal planner is given to the branches or to the parents on the first day of the month. Plus ये जो मील सर्व होता है, this meal is cooked in school only. Plus nothing cooked material is bought from outside to serve the children. Plus whatever ingredient is needed to make the meal, to cook the meal, every ingredient is bought from the branded products or packed products. ये कुछ चीजें हैं जो हमने वक्त के साथ सीखी, जो हमने जरूरत फील हुई, नेसेसिटी फील हुई। फिर जो नेक्स्ट नेसेसिटी हमने वक्त के साथ में ऑब्जर्व की, द नीड ऑफ द राइट करिकुलम। और जो करिकुलम हमने डिजाइन किया है, अमेजिंग करिकुलम है। दिस इज नॉट माई स्टेटमेंट अलोन। जब मैंने अपने करिकुलम में कुछ अमेंडमेंट्स की बात की है, माई टीम ऑलवेज सेड नो एंड बिग नो। और अभी रिसेंट पास्ट में आई हैड कन्वर्सेशन विद वन ऑफ माई colleague from Noida and one of my colleague from Vasundhara only कि हमारा curriculum best है। Our children can get admission in any of the school through our curriculum। जबकि बाकी का जो मैंने सुना है थोड़े बच्चे परेशान होते हैं, बट आइकन नर्चरिंग इनोसेंस के करिकुलम में बच्चे जिस स्कूल में चाहते हैं जब चाहते हैं वहाँ एडमिशन मिलता है। फोर्थ थिंग what I would like to add here is our welcome activity. Again, why we invented this activity, and otherwise also whatever we have done in Icon Nurturing Innocence so far, whether it was hiring a mother, whether it was starting a meal, whether it was designing the curriculum, whether it was invention of welcome activity, and then list is long. ये सब जरूरत के हिसाब से शुरू हुआ। तो when we saw that children are crying inside and parents are crying outside, और ये सब चीजें एक दिन नहीं हुई या एक साल में नहीं, it took years together to upgrade ourselves or to update ourselves or to do what exactly is needed. तो वहाँ हमने ये फील किया कि बच्चे अंदर रोते हैं, पेरेंट्स बाहर रोते हैं, तो क्या करें? What should we do? यहाँ से हमारी वेलकम एक्टिविटी का इन्वेंशन हुआ, and the pure objective of starting this activity was to address जी सेपरेशन एंजाइटी। और इतने अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स आए इससे, इतने अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स आए, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी एडेड एंटायर एजुकेशन विच इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन द एक्टिविटीज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी। इसके थ्रू हम बच्चों को नंबर्स भी सिखाते हैं, कलर भी सिखाते हैं, शेप भी सिखाते हैं, शेयरिंग भी सिखाते हैं, केयरिंग भी सिखाते हैं, टुगेदरनेस सिखाते हैं, मिंगलिंग सिखाते हैं, पार्टनरशिप सिखाते हैं, एंड दिस लिस्ट इज लॉन्ग एंड वेरी लॉन्ग। वन मोर थिंग व्हाट वी एडेड in this phase, I'm continuing with this phase was our आशीर्वाद की छाया, जहाँ हम अपने कंट्री का जो कल्चर है, जो भारत का कल्चर है, वहाँ हम अपने बच्चों में इंस्टॉल करने की कोशिश करते हैं। और जब मैं इस सब का टोटल करता हूँ, when I total all these things, and this list is long, तो I'm because this cannot go long, तो when I total this, तो मैंने फिर जो इसका नाम दिया और जो what I discussed with the team, इसको मैं आइकन की आत्मा बोलता हूँ। और इस आइकन की आत्मा का हमने नाम दिया Nurturing Innocence Framework, which is our pedagogy. Now this bulletin is coming to an end, and please note that every month, bulletin of icon nurturing innocence will be featured. And the topic I am suggesting for the next bulletin is child safety. But we can take up any other topic also based on the request we receive in the comment box. Your requests will be accepted up to 15th Feb only for the next bulletin. Further requests can be accepted for the successive bulletins, but for the next month bulletin, you can send your comments and suggestions in comment box up to 15th Feb. So see you in the month of Feb. Thank you, and thank you very much.